Hello students, last class we discussed about design of singly reinforced rectangular beam by using spreadsheet or by using Excel. Last class we discussed this first part that are given data. Effective depth we calculated by using the formula effective span of beam divided by 50, but we are getting 333 millimeter, but you can give more than this answer. That means you can round off to provided effective depth you can give 350. After second step, loads. You can observe the question here. Loads are given: self weight of beam 2 kilonewton per meter. In the question given that, not given in the question, but here how it is calculated. See, observe. Self weight of beam, how you are going to calculate. The dimension of beam, the 200 millimeter breadth and 400 millimeter depth, multiplying by density of concrete, then you are getting the self weight of beam 2 kilonewton per meter. Next, live load is given. So you can give that live load. See here, for calculating self weight, you can feed the program, or you can feed the formula. See, like this. You can just double click here, it will appear equal. For every time when you are going to feed the formula, you must and should type the equal. After you can type your formula. Okay, here see, observe, the breadth is 200 millimeter, C4 is width of beam is 200 millimeter. Why divided by 1000? Because of it is in terms of millimeter. So you can observe here, it is in millimeter, so I want to convert to meter. So here I put it divided by 1000, multiply by C5 is this depth of beam. Also, the input data is 400 millimeter, so you should convert to meter. So divided by 1000, multiply by 25. 25 is the density of concrete. So the answer is 2 kilonewton per meter. You are getting the answer in terms of kilonewton meter. Next, live load is given in the question, 8 kilonewton meter. Directly you can type it, 8 kilonewton. Already you can type it in the given data. Here you can call it. How to call that? Equal C6. Just double click here, it will appear. Okay. Next, total working load, W, small letter w, total working load is 10 kilonewton per meter. How it will come? Total working load by adding self weight of beam and live load. This is adding these two load, you are getting total working load. Just double click on this, you are getting, see, adding these load, you are getting total working load. Next, design ultimate load. How you are going to calculate design ultimate load? By manual method. Design ultimate load, W equal 1.5 times of total working load. That means 1.5 multiply 10. How you are going to give in the Excel sheet? See, equal 1.5. Here star is nothing but multiplication. In the Excel sheet, star is nothing but multiplication. When you are going to multiply, you should give the star. Finally, we calculated design ultimate load WU 15 kilonewton per meter. Next, ultimate moments and shear forces. How we are going to calculate MU, ultimate moment? The formula is, we know, 0.125 WU L square. This is the formula. How we are going to type, how we are going to feed in the Excel sheet? See, equal 0.125 into C16, or you can double click here, it will appear. WU C16 CC is the 16, okay. WU into C3 is, see, the formula is WL square. L means effective span of beam, L square. It is L square, no, 2 times of L, so you can give 2 times. Okay, it is very simple. As per the formula, you should give the formula. Next, design shear. What is the formula for design shear? VU equal 0.5 WUL. See, the formula is 0.5 times of WU into L. It's a very simple formula. So you can just double click 0.5. C16 is the WU into L. L is the C3. Here one demo I will show how I type this one. See here, when you are going to type this formula, see, I will delete this form. You can just type like this, equal, what is the formula? Just click on the, see, what is the formula? 0.5, U equals 0.5 into is nothing but star here, star and WU means W already we calculated, WU, design ultimate load. You can directly call, just click on here, it will automatically take up, the software will automatically take up, and after you can put the star according to the formula 0.5 into WU into L. L already we calculated. See, L is there, no, the given data. You can directly call up. Just click on, see here, you can keep your cursor here and click on whatever column required. Click on this, it will take automatically. Then give enter. The answer will come automatically. Okay, it is very simple.